I always tell people when they call my firm about whether they need a crashworthiness lawyer, I ask them this question: do you have enough coverage from the underlying accident to thoroughly and completely compensate your client? If you have a quadriplegic or a paraplegic, someone who's catastrophically brain injured, or who may be dead, and you don't have millions of dollars of coverage, you need to start looking for other sources of recovery. One of those sources of recovery is the vehicle that they were in. It doesn't matter if they were driving, if they were a passenger in the vehicle has to provide safety to everyone in the vehicle equally. That's what we tell everyone. Now, what are we concerned with when we look at a vehicle? We're not concerned with who caused the accident, because believe it or not, the vehicle manufacturers know that accidents are going to take place. So we're concerned with how did the safety systems perform throughout the accident. And there's really only 5 safety systems that we're concerned with at any given point in time. We're concerned with the structure. How did the roof hold up? How did the front structure hold up? How did the side structure hold up? How did the rear structure hold up? We're concerned with how did the restraint systems perform? I'm not just talking about the seat belts. That's just one of many safe restraint systems in a vehicle. For example, there's airbags, not just frontal airbags. Vehicles today have knee airbags. Vehicles today now have airbags that come out of the seats that protect the torso, that protect the head. There are also airbags that are side curtain airbags that go from the front of the vehicle all the way to the back of the vehicle. You then have to make certain that how did the seat perform? In a rear impact accident, did the seat stay upright, or did it collapse rearward and allow a restrained person to be thrown out of the vehicle? The door is a perfect example of a restraint system. If the door opens up like it did on this vehicle on this side of the vehicle on the driver's side, you can get thrown out of the vehicle with your seat belt still on. You have to make certain that you are not ejected from the vehicle. You can have your seat belt on, and when the glass breaks out, your body can be thrown outside the vehicle. That's why we want laminated glass and we want side curtains. You want to make certain that the vehicle channels and distributes energy forces from the front of the vehicle all the way to the rear of the vehicle. I always tell people that the safest vehicles in the world are as follows. If I get hit on the left front headlight, my right rear tail light should break out, because all the energy and crash forces have distributed around, under, and over the vehicle. And lastly, you want to make certain that the vehicle does not catch on fire. Those are the 5 points that we look for in every single case. Do you have the damages? Is your person belted? And do you have a potential safety defect?